Good morning, everybody. We are here, and I don't even know what it is. It's like cloudy and gloomy outside today. Where's it? It's 42 degrees. Cloudy, gloomy, wet, rainy. Nobody likes it, but we got Nigga first in the chat. Good morning. Happy Thanksgiving. Oh, and you're welcome for yesterday. Nigga, good morning. Thank you, and happy Thanksgiving to you as well. Glad to have you in here, Nick F. Frank. What's going on, Frank? Kenneth, Frank, Dark Bro, Kenneth. Peak up power. Smash that like button. Top one. Top stream. Top like of the day. Make sure to listen to Pika Power and smash that like button. Oh, by the way, oh my goodness. Pika, since you're in here, can I show him? Can I show him what I got from the post office yesterday, or no? Let me know, Pika, and I will make it known. Kenneth, what's going on, Kenneth? Thank you very much, by the way, Pika. Next level Pika, Dark Bro Pika, next level Kombu, next level Dark Bro Kombu, Dark Bro Kombu, Pika, Pika, Kombu, Kenneth, Dark Bro Kenneth, Moji, Kombu, 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 Pika, Dark Bro Kenneth, Kombu, Moji, Kenneth, next level Dark Bro Kombu, next level Moji, Kombu, Pika, next level Kombu, Dark Bro Kenneth, Moji, Kenneth, Pika, Kombu, Moji, Peter. Oh my gosh, Kombu, next level Kenneth, Peter, we got Kombu, next level Kenneth, Moji, Peter, Pika, Kombu, Pika, Peter, Challenge, Pika, Dark Bro. I am glad to have you all in here right now. Thank you very much. Absolutely. Clay better still have his horn on. Nope, don't have the horn on now. I had the horn on all day yesterday, but not now. Oops, don't look at that, guys. Close your eyes. Oh my goodness. Let's check the market out and see what's going on. We got AMC sitting back above $7 per share. It is up 6.5% today, sitting at 709 at the moment. Shiba Inu coin, unfortunately, back down below 800 points per coin, sitting at 796 points per coin, down 0.75% on the day today. GameStop down 0.25% right now, and Bitcoin floating around 36,500 at the moment, stringing together a very nice 10 minutes right there, going from 36,390 up to 36,530 right now. The Nasdaq 0.65% higher on the day, 14,291 points there. AMC sitting at 708, GameStop 1253, Dogecoin 7.5 cents, Ethereum $2,037, Shiba Inu coin 797 points per coin, Bitcoin 36,526, the SPY sitting at 455, QQQ 390.86 right now, Mullen Auto sitting at 17.5 cents, Sundial $1.48, Netflix $4.80, Highcroft Mining $2. You got MPW, man, Highcroft Mining getting blasted. Is this an all-time low? No, it's up a little bit from those all-time lows at $1.63. Highcroft Mining currently sitting with zero volume and $2 per share. MPW 456. Tesla falling back down pretty heavy today, losing 3.30%, and it is sitting at 233.09. Amazon bouncing back beautifulally right now. Amazon sitting at $147.18. Apple $191.71. I'm telling you, man, these tech stocks are they're invincible. It's absolutely insane how invincible these stocks are. But we're going to watch Bitcoin play out on the bottom left-hand side of the screen. Michael is a Bronson in training. I hope that's good. Okay, so I don't have it out of the box, right? But I got to show you this. I got to show you guys this picture. All right, I got to show you this picture. Now, I wish that I knew football. I wish that I was a little bit better at football. This thing is stinking huge, okay? This thing is stinking huge. So be glad if you guys are in the fantasy football league, because you guys are about to get a surprise of a lifetime. The winner has not yet been determined, obviously. I don't even know who's in first. But, dude, when you win the Bro Fantasy Football League, I want you to see what is going to be bestowed upon you. Look at this right here, all right? Look at this, man. Not only are you going to get one of the best trophies of your life, you're going to get a sweet hat. I mean, look at this hat that you can use, that you can wear as well. Dude, you are going to be looking good in that hat, knowing that you won the Bro Fantasy Football Tournament. And if you guys can see down there, look, man, everybody commemorated. You got all the names in the Bro League right there. The trophy is absolutely sick. So, yeah. Whoever wins that is going to be very lucky. Technically, I've got it right now, so I can put it on display at the moment. And I don't know if this is gonna be some sort of a annual bro thing. If this trophy goes from like house to house, if this is the first winner and this is it, or what the deal is. But I absolutely love it, Pika. That is, I mean, it's a massive trophy, guys. It is a massive trophy. They're gonna know you won a serious fantasy football league right there. They're gonna know you won a big one. No, it's absolutely sweet, man. It's very well made, and the hat's sweet as well. So whoever ends up with it, hopefully you got a place to display it, man, because it's actually really, really cool. Chris says, happy Thanksgiving, King. Where is your crown? Just scooped up a lot of crow with the dip yesterday. Ooh. Crown is right there, my friend. The crown is right there, but we're not wearing it just yet. Even though QQQY is up on the day, I'm still trusting the 8-ball. That was waiting to buy the dip is a wise play. The 8-ball never lies, man. The 8-ball never lies. Kill it, Kombu. Heck yeah, I think. Still riding my $5 20x short on BNB. Let's see where this dude's 20x short. Nice, Kombu. Let's see where we are with BNB. I didn't look at it today. Should have joined the dang league. Yeah, you should have joined the league, Peter. Look at that bad boy right there. Pika really is the queen. Yes, she is. Hey, it's insider playing, Clay. It is, dude. But it'll probably be the only time that I can ever display that trophy, because I'm not good at football, so I will not win that trophy. Even pure luck can't allow me to win that trophy, so it's good that I get to display it for a minute at least. Foosball the devil. Foosball be the devil. Yeah, you're right, Kenneth. According to Bobby Boucher's mother. Indubitably! Fist, boom. Fist, boom. Fist, boom. Fist bump, indubitably. Thank you very much for the super chat. Indubitably, thank you very much, man. Absolutely appreciate it. Look at this, dude. What is this wild hair doing right here? Put that bad boy over there where it goes. Indubitably appreciate you on the super chat. That is sweet. I'm here. Pudgy, I'm glad you're here. Moji, man. I don't even know who's winning the fantasy football league right now, but if you win, dude, you better be displaying that trophy proudly, because that trophy is sick. Let's see. The government needs money so badly that would take $4 billion deal to pay Congress's salary. Challenge channel. You are absolutely right, man. And they'll take it from one of the best and biggest cryptocurrency exchanges in the world, man. Breaking out the super cheat cards. Nah, Moji, you gotta do what you gotta do to win, my man. You gotta do what you gotta do to win. No, seriously, I went to the post office yesterday and I picked up that trophy. I told the dude, yeah, dude, it's a trophy. Should be back there somewhere. He's like, I don't see it anywhere. I don't see it. I'm like, should be there. And I got the slip and everything out of the P.O. box, and he's like, I don't see it. He goes, oh, this is it. He goes, dude, I was expecting something small. I was like, what is this thing? Dude, I'm talking, this trophy's like this big, dude. This trophy's like, you are going to be a fantasy football boss if you win that trophy. Dead serious, man. People are going to be like, holy crap. Was there like 80,000 people in this league that you won? You'd be like, no, it was the bros, and I destroyed, man. The Final Fantasy League trash talk is going to 11 now. What have I done? Pika, you've awakened the monster. Just gotta deal with it. Sorry, America is in trouble. Challenge channel, you're probably right, dude. We need a real football league. Things would be much different on that one. They might be. Probably not for me, but they might be. $4 billion is just the price of doing business with the banking cartel. Kenneth, you're right, dude. Banking cartel, the modern day mafia, whatever you want to call them, man. Isn't it crazy that that's the price of doing business? $4.3 billion. And I saw a lot of people talking about the $1.3 billion bank run that it caused on Binance there with people withdrawing $1.3 billion worth of their crypto off the platform. Didn't even do anything, man. Didn't hurt them. All that crypto was there, ready for them to withdraw. They withdrew it. No issues whatsoever. Could you imagine going to your local bank and trying to withdraw $1.3 billion in a 24-hour period? They would not only tell you no, they wouldn't have that money for you to even begin withdrawing. So that does show a lot about what the cryptocurrency space is. and the benefits of the crypto space. Please remember that, guys. Please post trophy pic. Yeah, hold on. Let me do that then. Let me post that picture in the Discord right there so you guys can check it out. I'll post it in the fantasy football part of the Discord. All right, cool. All right, that's in the fantasy football part of the Discord. You guys can go check that out all day long if you would like. Let's see. API 3, any tips, bro? Momo Life. Let's check out API 3 since so many people have been asking about it lately. See where we are, and then we shall go from there. Ooh, BNB sitting at 230. BNB's still down, man. It might be finding a bottom, though. API 3. Is it this one? Is this what we're looking at here? Down 4% today. $1.33 overall. Yep, that was basically the toll to keep crypto going. Jesse, isn't it nuts, man? Isn't it nuts? You got to pay the mafia $4 billion to keep things going here in the United States. Hey, look at it this way. If Binance was not guilty, he would have fought for the exchange. Quite possibly. Okay? Quite possibly. Lonnie. Yes. But at the same time, man, you got to think about it this way as well. People 100 years ago had no problem paying the mafia, right? Because they knew that they were bigger. If they wanted to do business at all, they know how corrupt the enforcers are. Pay them. It's a lot easier. Because they know that even though they might be innocent, even though they don't have anything to do with this nonsense, a $4 billion fine to continue playing and to continue working and to continue your business along, or the unrelenting just restrictions and trouble they are going to make for you, might be worth a lot less than the $4.3 billion fine. So that's a possibility as well. You know, I don't know the best way to look at it. I really don't know, man. NASCAR pit maneuver Bronson in the playouts. He'll be kicking tires. Make it happen, man. BlackRock owns stock in Coinbase. Wonder that they do. I love it. Fluffy. Where's Fluffy? Is Fluffy in here? Oh, it's Fluffy. Is that like a Pudgy? My supporter's name is Fluffy for now. Gotcha. All right, that's what Fluffy. Fluffy is Pudgy, Pudgy is Fluffy. They just smiled and handed it over in the run after FTX with no issues. They got this. Kenneth, isn't it crazy to see that, man? Fluffy Wuffy was a Pudgy. Fluffy Wuffy wasn't Pudgy, was he? Hey, Clay, should we worry about Lunk now that this is happening with Binance and CZ was the main means of burns? Next level. Yes, if you believe that CZ Binance was the only reason that Terra Luna Classic is what it is right now. CZ Binance essentially stepping down as CEO of Binance. Changpeng Zhao stepping down as CEO from Binance. Dude, it will change the game. Okay, it will change the game. I don't know if CZ, and I have no idea what the terms of the guilty plea are. Right, I saw some headlines talking about like 14 months in prison. I saw, the other articles not even mention jail time. So I don't really know what his plea or his settlement deals are, or his plea deal was. But yeah, dude, if you believe that Terra Luna Classic is only where it's at right now because of Changpeng Zhao, then the answer is yes. Be concerned about it because he's got to disappear, man. He's got to disappear out of the limelight. That is sweet, Pika. Oh, gee, it really is cool, man. It really is cool. It is very large, okay? It is a very large trophy, but, I mean, it's like legit Super Bowl trophy type deal, man. It's crazy. Dark Bro making fantasy football trades right now. He is, dude. I bet he's out there right now trying to win. My guess is J Bones versus Moji. First bro, Super Bowl. Ooh. Why didn't you guess me, Bree guy? Why didn't you put me in the Super Bowl there? Oh, boy. I'm updating the roster after seeing that. Heck yeah, Dark Bro. Poof, now they want to play and make moves. Now they want to get serious. Well, I know that I stand no chance, even if I do get serious about it. But, yeah, no, it is a sweet trophy, and the hat's pretty cool, too. Let's see. Where is J-Bones? Nobody knows. J-Bones, are you out there, man? His twin cousin is taking over. He might be, man. Maybe it sends it all to the burn wallet. Ooh. Ooh. I doubt he would do that. That would be pretty sweet if he did that. But I doubt he would do that, dude, because, you know, a lot of the Terra Luna Classic that Binance owns, a lot of that, if not the vast majority of it, is Terra Luna Classic that is in custody of Binance, all right? So the amount of Lunk being held on Binance isn't all Binance. A lot of it has to do with the custody of it. Piga, very sweet. Heck yeah. Don't think you will go to prison. Somehow step down, pleaded guilty, and pay $50 million personal fine. I still did see an article talking about 14 months, man. So, and I only saw one article talking about that. So I really don't know what the terms of his plea deal were. Clearly the dude doesn't want to spend any time in prison, and if he's got hundreds of millions, I don't even know. Is CZ a billionaire? Let's see. I don't know if he's a billionaire or not. Yeah, he's a billionaire. Holy smokes, man. Let's see. According to CoinDesk, in 2023 here, Binance founder Changpeng CZ Zhao's wealth probably fell $11.9 billion as revenue at the world's largest crypto exchange slid 38%. Bloomberg Billionaires Index calculated the drop would see CZ's wealth drop to $17 billion. Let me tell you right now, he don't care about a $50 million fine. If that dude truly has $17 billion, he does not care about a $50 fine. My gosh, dude. Where's my calculator? Over here. Gosh, dude, that's not even 1/3% of his overall net worth. I don't know. I mean, dude, 9 zeros? What? Okay, 0029. Yeah, nope, didn't mean to do that. Clicked on it wrong. Yeah. Okay. 0029. Dude, I mean, if you guys had $100,000, that would be no different than you paying a $295 fine. If you get $10,000, guys, you paid a $29 fine. If you got $1,000, you just paid a $2 fine. CZ does not care at all about that $50 million fine. $50 million is like throwing a dime at the sun. Yeah, dude, it is like throwing a dime at the sun, man. It's like throwing a dime at the sun for sure. It's not even $2 on $1,000. Shots on Cardano, legitimate coin that will be around during the next bull market. And I mean, I don't know what the overall crypto market is gonna do. So if you're asking like right now, do I think Cardano's expensive or cheap? In the grand scheme of things, I think it's cheap. But I do think we could see some cheaper prices if all this stuff continues on right here. Everyone knows the Bitcoin holdings. JB, yeah, he did. And everybody's excited about it, JB. Yo, what's up, Clay, bro? When are we going to have a correction to the QQQ? Need a correction to 380. Markets are too strong in the moment. Miguel Pizania, man. Yeah, I actually agree. I don't know when the correction's going to come, though. So let's take this off here for a moment. Looking at the QQQ sitting at 391. It has been an obscenely strong 3 weeks for the stock market right here. I'm going to be honest with you. This could be the correction day. Okay? We might end up with a beautiful doji right here. And then you might fall back off. Right? So if we end up with a doji candle right here leading into Thanksgiving, and then of course the markets are closed. Tomorrow's Thanksgiving, right? Markets are closed tomorrow, as long as today's Wednesday. And then you might get that little bit of a pullback into Black Friday and into the holiday season, man, as people are getting excited about buying things for Christmas and taking some time off and all that stuff. You may see a little bit of a pullback, but this doji candle, if it stays a doji, would indicate a potential reversal. So please just know that. I also agree. The market is very, very strong right now. If you have that much money, why would you want to be involved in anything? Just buy an island somewhere and disappear. The franchise. 2 reasons, man. It's going to cost like $50 to ship to my house. JB, if you're the winner, I was going to say I'll hand deliver it. I can't hand deliver it, man. But yeah, it's going to cost to ship it because it's sweet, dude. No, it really is a sweet trophy. You guys are going to like that. Whoever ends up with that trophy, I hope you got a place to display it, man, because you should be proud of it. I don't even know what I was talking about. Oh, yeah, franchise. They got that much money, man, but more. Everybody always wants more. Everybody always wants more, man. Everybody. $67 to ship that. Somebody gave me a huge super chat to cover that. Heck yeah, absolutely. And look, dude, it is going to be... When's the Super Bowl? You guys don't get that for... When's like the fantasy football Super Bowl and all that stuff? Is it something you're going to get by Christmas time? Or... Because I know the actual Super Bowl is in February, right? But how does fantasy football work? Do you play through the playoffs? Or do people drop out? Or how does that work with fantasy football? I have no idea, so... Yeah, dude, it is going to be beautiful. Whoever ends up with that trophy right there is going to love it. And the hat, too. And the hat. I'm not much of a hat guy myself, but I am a little jealous of that hat because it looks pretty sweet. This Sunday is the final race of the Formula One season in Abu Dhabi. If Max Verstappen wins, it will be his 19th win out of 22 races and move him to 3rd on the all-time win list. Holy smokes, that dude's fast. Exonerated means exactly what? $4.3 billion to not face prison time? Yeah, I don't know. Let's see if we can take a look. So was CZ exonerated? Is that why you're saying that? Yeah, so, dude, if you're exonerated, you have no blame. So let's start there, right? It says to absolve someone from blame for fault or wrongdoing, especially after due consideration of the case. To release someone from a duty or obligation. So, yeah, exoneration occurs when the conviction for a crime is reversed, either through a demonstration of innocence, a flaw in the conviction, or otherwise. Attempts to exonerate convicts are particularly controversial in death penalty cases, especially where new evidence is put forth after the execution has taken place. Holy smokes, man. You people are getting exonerated after they're dead? That's kind of crazy. Yeah, dude, so I don't know if CZ was exonerated or what by paying that $50 million fine, but he would be innocent if he paid that $50 million fine. that would have exonerated him from criminal, I guess, duties. Clay, the final week for fantasy is December 26th through January 2nd. JB, thank you very much for letting me know that, man. The embroidered hat. It took forever to ship. The trophy was here in 2 days. Yeah, the trophy, the little plaque, all of that's pretty sweet, man. Because they can't launch one as long as Binance is around. Aru Abusu, I think they did this. Gotcha, to launch CBDCs. That's a possibility, Aru. That's a possibility. Kenneth! Thank you very much to the green name. Who got it? The franchise got that green name. Kenneth, man, thank you very much for throwing that green name out there. Franchise, thank you very much for grabbing that green name out there. Everybody except for Miguel Pizania is green. Let's get started. Thank you very much, Kenneth, and thank you very much, Franchise. My goodness. Says it about ETFs, and CZ isn't interested in ETFs. Who cares if you're dead? Yeah, it's a dark bro, man. I guess the family, maybe. Justice might care if they did some wrongdoing there. I have no idea, dude. A great channel with learning law and everything. Miguel Pizania. Heck yeah, well, you know what, man? It's good to know all this stuff, too. So, I didn't know the exact definition of exoneration either. So, we'll look it up, we'll talk about it, and we'll just see what's going on there. Oops, clicked on the wrong one. But back to API 3. Somebody was asking about API 3 a minute ago. So let's take a quick look at this real quick. $7.5 million in volume. Not bad volume. Okay, could be much higher. It's number 342 in terms of volume. But the market cap right now is a hefty $115 million. Down on the day. Down on the week. And it is still up on the month, but pulling back heavy here. Where does it stand on the year? Roughly break even on the year. And since December of 2020, man, it is down at major support levels. So that's actually not too bad to see. The interesting thing is, and I don't know if this is because you saw, it could be, okay? Because as you can see here, since December, you're seeing a slow and steady gain. Whereas if you're looking at the price, you don't see that slow and steady gain. More and more coins were introduced to the market. The circulating supply right now is 86 million. Total supply, 125 million. So I'm not exactly sure where the rest of these coins are, if they're staked and so on. But yeah, dude, with the all-time high market cap being around 300 million, you could expect API to roughly triple in price in order to reach that all-time high market cap. So just know that. I wouldn't expect to see it go up to $9 a share again, unless, of course, it just blows by this past market cap. Which is possible, because $300 million market cap is I mean, it's nice. It's huge. I mean, $300 million companies are big companies. But, you know, there's a lot of cryptos with much, much higher market caps. So if you're reaching all-time high market caps, you're touching about $3 to $4 in price, not the $9. And that's simply because more and more cryptos were issued. Moji, thank you very much for this super chat. Oh, I gotta disappear for a second. Moji, man, thank you very much for that super chat. This is by far one of the best ones. La pika pika, la pika pika, la pika 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 pika, la pika 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 pika, la pika pika, la pika pika, la pika 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 pika, la pika 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 pika, la pika pika, la pika pika, la pika 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 pika, la pika 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 pika. This is the last one. You guys better do it with me. La pika pika, la pika pika, la pika 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 pika. Emoji, man. Thank you very much for the super chat. Appreciate you on that one, man. And that is one of the best ones that you guys have out there. Emoji, fantastic, man. Who sent the clay? No, I got the mask. And J-Bones sent the maracas. J-Bones sent the maracas, but I had the mask. And dude, I was sitting on that mask for well over a week before the first person sent that Pika chat. But then J-Bones, man, J-Bones has been sitting on those maracas for a while before finally sending a super chat yesterday, day before, whenever it was, when we first saw that one come across. Look, can you look at HK and Big Time? I'd love to hear your thoughts on these tokens. Yeah, absolutely, indubitably. Let's try to check it out right now, man. HK. Ooh, is it this one? Is it simply Hong Kong? All right. That's a pretty decent spike up and then right back down here. All right. If this is the token, man, obscenely low market cap, $133,000. Very, very dangerously low market cap, right? Now, the question is, I don't like this graph at all, okay? This graph has done nothing but come down since the beginning of 2023 when the rest of the cryptocurrency market has done nothing but go up all of 2023. The total coins in circulation are ridiculously low. Only 5% of the total supply is in circulation, meaning that they could dilute this like crazy and essentially drop the value of it to nothing. So watch out for that. In terms of these spikes right here, I would imagine, okay, that it has to do with the difference between these prices. Pancake and Bitmart kind of agree on the price, 0016. Bitforex, however, is calling it 0037 for some reason. Now, knowing that there's the discrepancy in price here, probably any time a trade comes across on Bitforex is where you get that jump in price right here. So I don't know if there's an arbitrage opportunity available for this by buying it on PancakeSwap and selling it on Bitforex. No idea whatsoever, but I would imagine that's where those spikes come from. Is when a trade occurs on Bitforex, you get a nice little spike up, and then when a trade occurs on PancakeSwap or somewhere, you get a spike right back down as it's pulling in the difference in price there. So that would be my first concern with a token like that, anytime they jump around. And then, let's see, Big Time. And I'm assuming that that's the token you wanted to see right there, but Big Time. All right, Big Time token, guys. Much higher market cap, $34 million market cap right here, $18 million in volume. This is going to be listed on some major exchanges, I would assume. Over the week, it is down 27%. It is coming back down to the monthly start here. Only a 9% gain, sitting at 16 cents right now. The year is still doing it hasn't been out a full year. So all-time graph still looking very good. Right now, there's not a lot of information to go off of, but it does have a lot of support in this 15-cent area. So if 15 cents continues to hold up here, could be a decent buying opportunity if you believe in this coin. But another concern, all right, same deal as HK. Only 4% of all the tokens are outstanding. I don't know if this coin is mineable, if it's mintable, or why only 4% of the coins are in circulation right now. But 210 million out of the total 5 billion coins are out there. If the other 5 billion get dumped onto the market, this price is going to go from 16 cents to some Shiba Inu coin levels. So just keep that in mind, that both of these coins have extremely low circulating supplies compared to their total supplies. Coming back down to the chat, guys, if I missed you, very sorry about it. Watched your video. Giovanni says, watch your video about Shib burn tweet earlier this morning. Do you think that hurt the price of Shib? Were people seeing the truth? Doge up, Shiba down. I doubt it, Giovanni. I truly doubt it, man. I know that Shibburn has a very large reach, but I doubt that it would have caused some sort of a major sell-off. I think that Shiba Inu coin is a little bit closer related to its technical movement right now and just falling below that 800 point per coin mark and kind of floating around there. With volume being up 11% today, I doubt Shibburn had some sort of a near $20 million impact on Shiba Inu coin's trades today. So my best guess is that it would simply be the fact that it's trying to tread water at 800 points per coin and can't yet seem to recover 800 points per coin. Dude, I'm going to be honest with you. I think that I can't say vast majority of the people, but I think a lot of people understand and know the frustrations with the ecosystem team right now. But there are a lot of people who will just believe a lie and believe that Satoshi is the greatest. You guys have seen it with Adam Aaron for the last 2 years. People are blinded by their hope. They hope that Satoshi takes Shiba Inu coin to the next level, and you know, they'll believe anything that they see that tells that. Bitforex will charge a premium to transfer T9 to their exchange, so it will be difficult to make profits. Gotcha. Roulette wheel. Gotcha. See, I've never used Bitforex, so I don't know if it's a percentage or if it's a flat rate fee. You'd probably have to move massive amounts over to their exchange, even if the arbitrage opportunity was available. Matt Perry likes Gala. Very nice. Anyone here hold Gala? I do not hold any Gala. Yes, that was the right one. Indubitably, very good. Just picked up a good bag of it. Very nice, Lonnie. Watched your video about Shib burn earlier. Saw that one. Let's see what's consensus on BNB. Going to continue drop, bounce back up. Let's see, because it was at some support at 230. So we'll check it out right after this ad, brought to you by, well, I don't know who it's going to be brought to you by, but you can tell me who it was brought to you by after you click skip on the second one. I don't care if you guys click skip on the first one or second one. Just know that clicking skip on the second one equals 2 ad views. Great. Now I got to get extra tissue boxes for Kombu when he sees me get the trophy. Got to help him out, man. Got to help him out. When these boys are crying because you take the league, I mean, it is what it is, man. Thank you, Clay. Indubitably, absolutely. It seems like it's one of the better gaming tokens, and it probably is, Lonnie. It's been around. It's been through a lot, and the only issue I have with it, and they may have already worked it out, was the issue amongst the founders when Gala was dropping down to like 1 cent several months ago. So that's the only issue I have with it, man. And if all of that stuff has been straightened out, perfect. One of the easiest ways to destroy your company, to destroy your cryptocurrency, is to fight amongst the founders. And when they start fighting, dude, liquidity pools get drained, people get rugged, and projects die. Shib Army strong. Satoshi. Yeah, man. Only if if Satoshi actually agreed with that, I think the Shib Army would be even stronger, man. Let's see. We just had a bro shirt ad for 5 minutes. You didn't have a bro shirt ad 5 minutes ago when I said, oops, don't. Oh, sorry, I clicked on that. Didn't mean it. If you consider that an ad, man, I don't know about you. Tisk roulette wheel. Google Fi wireless ad. 775 Brie guy. At least you guys getting ads today. Remember I clicked the button yesterday and Google wouldn't put an ad on here for some reason? Check out YFI. I just put $500 in. Which thoughts? Warner. YFI dropped back down to like $8,000 yesterday, right? Let's see where it's at today. Yearn Finance, ladies and gentlemen, sitting at 7,800 right now. Hopefully bouncing back off these 7,600 lows. But let's see what we got, man. On the week, it is down, hopefully finding support in this level. On the month, had a beautiful rally. Now, my only concern, buying in right now, is that yes, we had a nice little bounce off this level right here. But on the monthly graph, you're not going to find major support until this like $5,500 per coin level on the monthly graph. Let's see where we are on the annual. Now, okay, the good news is on the annual, there is some support. Where we're at right now at about $8,000 a coin. So that's nice to see on the annual graph that you may have bought in at a strong level of support. So it could be a very good purchase right there with support around this 7,000 point per coin level, 7,800 point per coin right here. And then on the lower end right here, which is bringing it to 8,000. So you could be at some very strong support on the annual graph. And, dude, of course, if this coin begins to pop, you can see some major gains very quickly. Back up to $20,000, $35,000, or, dude, even testing Bitcoin levels at like $80,000 per coin. So, yeah, as far as Yearn Finance is concerned, you are buying in at a level of support right now. Just be careful if it falls through this level. You know, you could be touching $7,000 and then all the way back down to $5,000 before you see the next levels of support there. So technically speaking, could be an excellent trade off of that support level. We just got to see how it goes. Check out Shido, Captain's channel. Absolutely, man. Let's look at it. Movie sucks. Checked my health app. Averaged 9,000 steps per day this week. 9,000 steps is good, Kombu. That's good, man. You're staying healthy with those 9,000 steps a day. Shido. All right, I'm assuming it's this one. If we're looking at Shido, ladies and gentlemen, Shido. Shido is down. Shido doesn't look like it's down 1.77% on the day right now. Shido looks like it is up. Yeah, there you go. 14% on the day right here. So Shido actually doing very well today, bouncing up nicely right here. On the week, however, it is down 20% still. On the month, actually the monthly graph looks pretty good. If it breaks back up through this level of resistance right here, you're probably going to be testing 2 points per coin, or 0.2 of a cent if it does break up through this level at 1.6. Of course, you know, you're risking because you're looking at a 20% gain, but if it comes back down to these levels, you're looking at a 50% loss. So the risk is not on your side in terms of that. But as far as this new Shido is concerned, major support levels in the 800 or 8 point per coin range, currently testing 16 points per coin, which is very nice. And the next resistance level is going to be at 2 points per coin, or 20 points per coin. So you can see a nice 25% gain if it does break that little level of resistance right there. Let's see. QQQ, guys, seems to be dropping back down a little bit, 0.57% higher on the day today. And watch out, because this ascending trend line may finally be broken to the downside right here. And if this little area right here gets broken, I would imagine you're going to come test 390. So you'd have a 50-60 cent decline. So just keep an eye on that. The ascending trend line of the QQQ may have been broken right here. And, of course, you could end up with some heavier losses, potentially new intraday lows. So just keep that in mind and watch out for it. Kind of the same deal happening with Bitcoin right now. All right, you're looking at it, and you got a little ascending trend line going right here. This candle breaking that ascending trend line. So you're going to have to keep an eye on it if you guys are playing some short-term Bitcoin trades or anything like that. Just waiting to hear Satoshi announce in order to bring Shib up, you need to sell it and buy BOEM, because to boost the price, you need to boost the ecosystem. I don't know if you'll ever hear those words directly, but that is literally everything that Satoshi says, Kenneth. It's literally everything that he says, except I don't know if he'll ever say those words directly, man. Brought to you by Chia Pets. Chia. Yes, Miguel. Was that the ad that you got? Was it Chia Pet? What's bro merch? Peter, you know, I don't really know what bro merch is, but I hear if you go and click the link in the description below, it will bring you up to this beautiful page on Amazon where you can go out there and in the very next day have it shipped to you. Actually, it says, okay, so Wednesday. That's tomorrow. That's what? That's today? How are you going to get this today, man? Holy smokes, dude. Somebody try and get this today. That's impossible. How are you going to get that today? I don't even know how you would get that today. If you can get it today, that's nuts. Bro merch, dude. Never heard of it before. You should go test it out. Who's Clay? Peter, I'm Clay. Adam Aaron, new ad. And with AMC popcorn, it's one bag. You won't mind holding. Yeah, dude. That would be a beautiful ad if Adam Aaron came out with that one. Dang, man, look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin following through on that decline right there. Losing the trend line and of course, moving lower. Beautiful technical analysis in play right now. I'm going to have to see how low it goes after breaking that ascending trend line. Keep an eye on it, guys. Anyone else have a nice Thanksgiving Eve dinner every year? No, man, but now I wish I would. Next level. 6 miles on Sunday, loading lumber, moving the whole... oh, my gosh, dude. It's not bad there, Kombu. 6 miles. What is that, like 12,000 steps? I wonder if Clay wears the Pikachu mask in his free time and dances around his house with the maracas. I guess we'll never know. We'll never know, man. But if you think that I haven't tried that mask out when you guys weren't watching, I think you'd be crazy to say that. So definitely have tried that mask out. Definitely have shaken those maracas, whichever was correct there, without you guys watching? Have I done them both at the same time? I guess that's only for me to know and you to find out. Clay pot. There's a connection. Like a clay pot? Is that what we're talking about? I know I missed something. Tonic's still marching up slowly and steadily. Go Tonic up 52% in the last 3 months. Lonnie, that's the type of action we need to see, man. You must live near a distribution center. Well, dude, still impressive. If they can get it printed and sent to me by the end of the day today, that is, to me, that's insane. Happy Thanksgiving, Warner Mackey. Happy Thanksgiving to you as well, man. You know, guys, we will be live this afternoon, but there will be no live streams tomorrow because tomorrow is Thanksgiving. You guys are going to have videos, all that stuff. Make sure, you know what would be awesome if you guys did for Thanksgiving? Just go take all of your family's phones and tell them to subscribe to my channel for Thanksgiving. You know, they don't have to watch every video or join a live stream or anything like that, but a beautiful subscription would be a Thanksgiving miracle. So as all of the families are gathered around, eating turkey, having fun, watching football and all that stuff, be like, oh, hey, by the way, subscribe to Clay Bro's channel. That would be a good one. I love ponies. Me too, J-Bones. Horses are just nice. So CZ was allowing terrorists and anti-U.S. interest to use Binance. So if the country doesn't get along with that country, then shut down. Was that the... Giovanni. Quite possibly. So I haven't read through everything that the Department of Justice is saying. But a lot of what they were saying is that... International Binance, or Binance the company, was supposed to be a completely different firm than US Binance. And International Binance did not comply with all of the US regulations that US Binance complied with. You know, that's why you couldn't trade on Binance, but you could trade on US Binance. Well, from what I know, and I don't know everything in the case or everything that they were accused of, but they were accused of kind of commingling funds and allowing funds from Binance to be used on International Binance and allowing funds from International Binance to be used on, US Binance. So that's where they're saying that the money laundering laws were broken because they were working with essentially illegal companies and moving their money around to illegal companies, and that Changpeng Zhao was not supposed to have anything to do with US Binance. And of course, people that work for US Binance still answered Changpeng Zhao. So, to me, that's why it's a little nonsensical, man, is because it has a lot to do with US Binance and International Binance. But, yeah, dude, you don't want them doing business with somebody that they're doing business with. For example, if they're doing business with Russia and they don't want them doing business with Russia, they'll just oust them, which is kind of crazy, man, because, you think about companies like Netflix who theoretically closed down in Russia. Right? Reebok. I know the example of Reebok better than Netflix, but Reebok, dude. Reebok said that, yeah, man, we're going to follow the U.S. sanctions. We're going to close down in Russia. We're not going to have anything to do with Russia anymore. Well, you know what they did? They simply set up a company in Turkey called Shoebox. Now, they sell all of their merchandise to Turkey, to this Shoebox company. It's still Reebok, right? They just renamed it Shoebox. They sell all of their goods to Turkey, and then from Turkey, they import them into Russia and sell all of their clothing, all of their shoes, all of their goods through Shoebox. It is a Turkish-owned company, and that company is owned by Reebok US, but because it's a Turkish company doing business in Russia under a different name, it has nothing to do with violating any sanctions out there. Dude, businesses are corrupt beyond your belief with what they're willing to do to essentially lie and manipulate you into believing that they are following the rules. So yeah, dude, it's all a game. It's all a game to these guys. Winter Maggie, thanks, and hope you have an awesome weekend. Absolutely. Hope that each and every one of you has an awesome Thanksgiving. Let's get started. Me too, J-Bones. And we will have an awesome Thanksgiving. You too, Bones. Enjoy food, family, and football, bro. Heck yeah, my family is huge. I'll make sure to become subscribed, bros, tomorrow. Indubitably, that's what I'm talking about, man. Dude, we had a surprise party for my mom over the weekend. And I had some nieces over. Dude, all they wanted to do was put a fingerprint on that YouTube plaque that I have downstairs. They literally had to put a fingerprint on it because they wanted to smudge it up because they've never been so close to a YouTube plaque, and that they thought that was like as good as the Nobel Peace Prize, man. It's so crazy to see kids and how they look at people post YouTube videos and stuff. It's like, to them, that's like winning a Nobel Peace Prize. So I thought that was a little funny. But yeah, dude, when you got family over, man, just let them know. Let them know to hang out with the bros in here. U.S. is cracking down on Chinese companies. They are. Roulette wheel. I wonder if they're going to crack down on TikTok as well. Jerome Bao was on the podium explaining it yesterday. It's on X. Gotcha, Giovanni. I have not seen it then. Just like TikTok spreading hate speech. Dude, all shorts. YouTube does it too. Okay, Reels on Instagram, they do it too. You know, they claim that X does it, all of this stuff. But what this algorithm does, man, is it feeds off your emotions. Okay, I don't think that TikTok, just solely TikTok, is spreading hate. But I do know that they feed off your emotions. And I know that the algorithm is very good. If you spend 3 seconds before you're swiping, you're going to see another video similar to that one that you just spent 3 seconds on. And usually, it's because it's feeding off your emotions. And some things make you happy, very nice. But, dude, some things get you upset. And then when they get you upset, you spend some time thinking about it. You spend some time watching it. You might even comment, tell them how dumb they are. And then all of a sudden, they know the content that drives you. And they're going to show you more and more and more. And they'll get you fuming. And then they'll show you a nice little puppy dog. And you'll be like, oh, that's so cute. And then you'll scroll. And you'll see some stuff that just drives your hate. Once again, man. Yeah, all of the short platforms love to play with your emotions. Hey, bro, check out the supporters chat going out on Friday. Let's see, supporters chat. Supporters. Oh, nice, man. We got some bros. We got some. Dude, those bros keychains are sweet, man. Yeah, Dark Bro, I'm probably gonna have to keep one of those bro keychains for myself, just to let you know. One of those will probably just stay for me. Yeah, if you guys are in the supporter chat, make sure to check that out because I think those keychains are looking awesome, Dark Bro. And if you guys want, don't forget, man, if you guys want, I don't know what Dark Bro charges for those keychains right there. Dark Bro's got a TikTok store as well. I believe he's got an Etsy store maybe. If you guys want a little keychain, just grab one for Christmas, man. And Dark Bro will get it out to you. Those are very nice looking keychains. I think those are pretty sweet. Yep, all about PR. U.S. Comedy still selling goods through third party. Dude, it's nuts when you realize what they're doing, and then they're playing goody two shoes, and all of their public relations are essentially lying to you. Roulette. It's nuts, man. Russian people need clothes also. It's cold there. It's very cold there, dude. And I'll say this, and YouTube will probably hate me for saying this, right? But, dude, Russian people, good people, right? Good people. There's no, like, people are good people. You got a lot of people out there, though, that are in positions of power, that are doing some nonsensical stuff, but Russian people are good people, man. Clay, please pull up XS coin or X sale and tell me I am not seeing things. Next level. Let's see if you're seeing things or not, man. I thought you were going to oops, don't look at that. I thought you were going to tell me to pull up X Shib, man, and tell me something that was going on with X Shib. X sale. So you probably are seeing things, and this is probably, look, before I even scroll down and see what's going on with this is probably similar to what we just saw with Bit4X and PancakeSwap. What I imagine is happening here is a discrepancy between two different exchanges on the price. One of them is probably going to be XS, denominated in like USDT or Tether, and another one is going to be XS, denominated in something else. And that's what's driving the spike here. So let's see, man. Interesting. So, wow, dude, $1 million in volume. That's pretty intense on Indo exchange right there. $146 on Uniswap. Both of these are showing the same price at 0.15 and 0.16. It is interesting, however, to know that this is wrapped ETH versus XS, which would honestly get you to a price above $20. And this is XS versus USDT, which is the 1.6 cents there. You're not seeing things, but I highly doubt that this is a legitimate price move. Okay? I don't know if it was just listed on IndoX today and something happened there, but a $16,000 market cap is the 1.6 cent price point right here. I highly doubt that this would have gone to like a $20 or $200 million market cap and then right back down. So, yeah, I don't know what this spike is right here, or how you came across that spike, but to me that doesn't seem legitimate. I don't think you would have been able to go out there and sell it for $20. Now, I could be wrong if IndoX for some reason had that for sale at $20, or if it spiked up very quickly on IndoX there and then back down. It just doesn't seem like a legitimate price move to me. Right up and then immediately right back down. So that's my only concern with it, is I can't really explain it there. Post the pick in the Discord, next level. All right. Good deal, man. Post it. Let's see. Rug pull, 100%. Roulette wheel says, don't touch it, man. Closing time. Open the doors and windows to let all the critters in. Yeah, I could open the doors today. It says it's high pollen outside, but that's kind of strange for fall time. I do want to feed the chipmunk. I didn't feed the chipmunk at all yesterday since it was raining all day. I forgot we had ourselves a little bit of a... Thank you very much, Pika Power, for the closing time. Open the doors and windows to let all the critters in. I know who I want to become a bro. I know who I want to become a bro. I know who I want to become a bro. Become a bro. Fist bump, fist bump, fist bump, fist. Happy Thanksgiving, everybody. What a beautiful song right there. My goodness, guys. I know who I want to become a bro. I know who I want to become a bro. You guys are going to be singing that all day long right now. I know you are. Boom, baby. That's what I'm talking about, Pika Power. Thank you very much for the super chat. Hopefully you guys like that song, because I actually like that song. And hopefully you guys like that little unicorn right there as well. Pika Power, thank you very much. You guys better be wishing Pika a happy Thanksgiving as well right there. Hope that each and every one of you has an awesome Thanksgiving. Absolutely, Bree Guy. Thanks, Mo. Thanks, Dark. Pika rocks, man. She does, dude. Happy Thanksgiving. Oh, indubitably, absolutely, man. Hope that each and every one of you have an awesome holiday. Heck yeah, indubitably nailed it, Clay. I know who I want to become a bro. I know. You guys better be singing this with me. Don't leave me hanging on this one. I know who I want to become a bro. Looks like Squid Coin rug pull. Dude, Squid Coin rug pull was insane, man. That was literally millions of dollars. Boom! Gone in seconds on that one. Guys, No PM Live? Oh, yeah, we get a PM Live today. Maybe Pika can't make it to the PM Live. I don't know. We definitely will have a PM Live today, unless, of course, something crazy happens. I absolutely plan on having an afternoon live. No live tomorrow, though, right? No live tomorrow. But it is 1 o'clock. Guys, if you didn't check out the bro keychains that Dark Bros got in the supporters chat, make sure to check those out. And seriously, it's Christmas. Even if you don't really want a bro keychain, I think it's cool, man. Let's support each other around Christmas time. Buy some stuff off Dark Bro if he's got some bro keychains. If you guys want to put your bro merch on an Amazon wish list, make sure to go do that. You guys know where it's at right there. Go check that stuff out. And we're going to be back in. And apparently, depending on where you live, you guys can get this stuff today, right? A fastest delivery, November 22nd. That is today, man, that you guys can be grabbing this stuff. Stay away from the orange ones, though. Amazon's trying to rip me off on the orange ones. Stay away from those. But yeah, nonetheless, guys, make sure to go check that stuff out. It is 1 o'clock, so we're singing it with you. I love it, indubitably. I love it. Let's do some shout outs, guys, and then we will be back this afternoon. Appreciate every single one of you for being in here, having an awesome afternoon, man. Loving it right now. We got Kombu in the chat. Pika Power. See you later, Kenneth, man. Later, bro. Later to you, Moji. Enjoy your afternoon. 775 Bree, guys. See you later, man. Indubitably, Kombu, Pika Power, Roulette Wheel, Chance. Yo. What's going on, Chance? See you later, Chance. Dark Bro, man. Happy Thanksgiving to all the bros. Heck yeah, man. Happy Turkey Day to you, turkeys. Mr. Enormous. Enjoy your afternoon, man. Highs or shots. Have a great one. Next level. See you later. Pika Power. Indubitably, next level. Moji. Pika Power. Gone Postal. Dark Bro. All of you guys. You know what time it is. You want to say it with me? Say it with me. Till the next time. Hope to each and every one of you have an awesome day.